Hello everyone, let's take you through Network Bull's virtual tour today. World's largest Cisco training labs. Network Bulls has world's largest Cisco training labs to facilitate practical-based Cisco training experience. Network Bulls labs are fully equipped with live racks, routers, switches and all necessary real devices as per the Cisco guidelines. "100% practical training. At NB, we believe in 100% practical training, which means all theory concepts are taught with demo devices at classrooms, followed by extensive practical sessions under CCIE certified lab instructors guidance at labs. "24/7 lab facility. Network Bulls labs are open 24/7 for its students. You can come on daytime or in nights to practice and polish your skills. This facility helps working professionals to study and prepare for Cisco certifications along with the job. World-class infrastructure. Network Bulls offer state-of-the-art world-class training infrastructure to its students. Well-equipped smart classrooms make sure your training experience is not less than the best. Our classrooms have real Cisco devices, racks, projectors, digital pens, etc. to make your learning effective. Biggest pool of certified trainers. At Network Bulls, you will be trained by biggest pool of certified trainers. Our training team consists of triple CCIE, dual CCIE certified plus over 200 Microsoft, VMware, Red Hat, Citrix certified trainers. Dedicated lab instructors. The best facility a networking student can wish for. You will find dedicated lab instructors who are CCIE certified available for you during practical sessions at NB Lab. They will help you in resolving your doubts instantly. Actions speak louder than words. Yes, Network Bulls has been producing CCIE results with over 90% first attempt success rate, highest in the world. In fact, Network Bulls delivered India's first ever CCIE Security version 5 results. Here are few recent CCIEs. Students from 40 plus countries. Network Bulls has been trusted by students from all around the globe for Cisco certification courses. Students from 40 plus countries have studied Cisco courses and got certified till date. Major countries from where students come are USA, UK, Australia, South Africa, Ghana, Angola, Qatar and many more. End-to-end solutions. As soon as you register with us, our company official remains in constant touch with you to provide all the necessary details required for an uninterrupted training schedule here in India. We take care of students' requirements completely. Registration, visa, arrival, airport pickup and drop, accommodation, meals, training, travel, etc. We take care of each step. Be rest assured, our team will make sure that you stay in India and training is a wonderful learning experience. Training methods. We have multiple training methods available for international students suited to their preference and schedule. International students can opt for classroom training, online training, customized training, one-on-one training, trainer on demand. Network Bulls has been honored with 14 plus educational excellence awards by various media houses and institutions in last 8 years.